Hello guys. Ayan guys, may bisita kami guys. Ayan. Biryani guys. Biryani rice. Ay, biryani. Biryani meat. Ayan guys. Ayan po. Sana okay ang yun ng yogurt. Tsaka tubig. Tsaka yung mango. At tsaka ayan. Ayan guys. Watermelon, mango. Ayan. Ayan po kasi nagmamadali guys. Ayan. At saka yung tomato, cucumber, lemon, salt, parsley. Ayan guys. Yan po. Kain po tayo. Sila, hindi sa akin guys. Yan guys. Salamat sa panonood. Please subscribe my channel and like and share. Thank you guys.